Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're digging into a really important new report from Bob Slovic over at Virtualization Options LLC. They're a research and advisory group based out in Colorado, and they've put their finger on a topic that is absolutely reshaping our digital world: the rise of AI-driven cyber attacks. So let's just jump right into the core of the threat.
So, the first big thing to get our heads around is that the fundamental nature of cyber threats has completely shifted. According to this report, it's not just about simple automated scripts anymore. Nope. We're now facing adversaries who are using artificial intelligence to make their attacks faster, way smarter, and a whole lot harder to stop.
And the folks at Virtualization Options LLC who wrote this report, they really don't mince words about it. We're not just looking at a small step up in the threat level. These AI-powered attacks are a whole different beast. They're incredibly targeted, they just don't give up, and, they're basically masters of disguise.
Okay, so here's our game plan to break all this down. First, we're going to really understand this new AI threat and pinpoint why our old defenses just aren't cutting it anymore. Then, we'll get into the good stuff: how we can fight fire with fire, why the partnership between humans and AI is so critical, and finally, what a real collective defense actually looks like.
So let's kick things off by getting a handle on the sheer scale of this new threat. I mean, it's one thing to say attacks are more sophisticated, but the data in the report shows just how explosive this problem has become.
The speed of growth here is just, wow. Take a look at these numbers. We go from 1.5 million documented attacks in 2020 to more than 3 million just 2 years later. That's not a slow trend, folks. That's an explosion. And it makes tackling this an incredibly urgent priority. And it's not just that there are more attacks. They're fundamentally smarter. The report really breaks down the AI attack playbook into 4 key stages. It all starts with automated reconnaissance, where the AI finds weaknesses at a speed we can barely comprehend. Then comes the adaptive malware. We're talking malware that literally changes itself to avoid getting caught. Third, the AI crafts these hyper-personalized phishing attacks that are just terrifyingly believable. And to top it all off, the whole process is built from the ground up to slip right past the security we've been relying on for years. So this brand new threat landscape brings us to a really critical point. It's showing all the cracks in the security tools we've put our faith in for decades. Let's look at exactly why they're not enough anymore.
This right here gets to the heart of the problem. Our old signature-based detection, it's totally reactive. It's like a security guard who only has a wanted poster for one specific bad guy. It's completely useless against a new threat they've never seen before. And on the other side, you've got these rule-based systems that are just too rigid. They get completely overwhelmed by the clever and complex ways these new attacks can hide.
So that's the big question, right? If the old ways of spotting threats don't work anymore, what does? Well, turns out the answer is to fight intelligence with intelligence. Okay, enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. We're going to see how we can use the exact same technology, artificial intelligence, to build smarter, more adaptive defenses that can actually keep up. The first tool in our new arsenal is something called anomaly detection. Now, instead of looking for a known bad guy, this approach uses machine learning to figure out what's normal for a network. It's like a security system that knows the daily rhythm of a building so well that it can instantly spot someone who's walking just a little bit out of step, catching threats it has never, ever seen before. Next up is deep learning. You can think of this as pattern recognition on steroids. These deep learning algorithms can sift through just massive amounts of data to find these incredibly subtle connections and patterns, stuff that would be completely invisible to a human. This lets them not only classify threats we know about, but also predict how brand new attacks might behave. And finally, we have reinforcement learning. This is where AI defense gets truly dynamic. It really comes alive. This kind of AI model learns through trial and error, almost like a boxer sparring against new opponents over and over. It constantly tests its own defenses, getting stronger and smarter with every single attack it faces. But, and this is a really, really big but, the report makes it crystal clear that even the most advanced AI is only one part of the solution. Technology by itself is just not going to save us. And the report couldn't be clearer on this point. The future of cybersecurity is a team sport. AI is an incredibly powerful tool that's designed to make human experts better, not to replace them. It's that combination of machine speed and human insight that creates a defense that's truly tough to beat.
This partnership is so powerful because it's like building the perfect team. You've got AI on one side bringing incredible speed, massive scale, and tireless data analysis. But then you have humans, and we bring the stuff you just can't program: context, creativity, critical thinking, and, so importantly, ethical judgment. You absolutely need both to win. Now, to make this dream team actually work, we've also got to invest in the human players. And that means we need to focus on bringing in new talent, building much better education programs, and giving the professionals already in the field the training they need to work side by side with these powerful new AI tools. Okay, let's bring it all home. In our final section, we're going to see how all these pieces, the tech, the people, they all come together to form a strategy, not just for one company, but for a collective defense of our entire digital world. This modern strategy requires a huge mental shift. We have to go from being reactive to being proactive. It's all built on 3 pillars. First, threat hunting. That's actively looking for bad guys in your network, instead of just waiting for an alarm to go off. Second, having a rock-solid incident response plan, because you have to assume a breach will eventually happen. And third, using AI-driven automation to make both of those things faster and way more effective. And here's what might be the most crucial part. No single organization can do this alone. The report hammers home that real-time threat sharing and collaboration between companies is absolutely essential. Think of it like a neighborhood watch for the internet. An attack on one of us is a lesson for all of us, and sharing that knowledge makes everyone stronger. All right, so let's boil it all down. The report leaves us with 3 vital takeaways. Number 1, AI-driven security isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It is essential. Number 2, human expertise is more important than ever to provide that critical context and judgment. And number 3, this isn't a one-and-done fix. The only way to stay ahead is through continuous learning and adaptation. And that leaves us with one final, kind of provocative thought to chew on. We are now in a constant cycle of innovation. As our defenses get smarter, you can bet our adversaries will too. The challenge isn't about winning some kind of arms race with a finish line. It's about making sure we are always leading that cycle of innovation.